So it is week number 14 of my PhD program. That means I have only 2 more weeks left of this semester to get through, and I think I can do it. I mean, where can I begin? First of all, it's Tuesday, November 29th, the end of my day for today. I had my stats quiz today, which I bombed, and I'm kind of upset about that. So I have to really do well on my next quiz and on the final exam, which is in 2 weeks. I'm gonna have to do really well because I still have an 8 average, considering that he's gonna drop our 4 lowest quiz grades. But still, it's just a thought that when you do bad on a quiz or a test, it's like, I know I could have did better. But I'm just kind of tired. It's tired. It's normal for me to be tired. Not only that, I had to write a paper, a journal article for my emphasis area, which is multicultural and diversity counseling. So I just finished that, and it's like 4 pages long. It was pretty easy. It's actually kind of a summary that I did of the movie, the documentary that we saw last week. And I actually made a video vlog about it, like a vlog about it I did last week after that class, because I had a lot on my mind about it. So you guys can go check that out. It's under the title Black PhD Students Get Into a Debate with Racially White Professor. And it's very interesting because I kind of talked about my reaction to the documentary and that video. It's a video series that I made, so go check that out. But I actually wrote the paper to that documentary, my reaction paper to that documentary. I just finished that, and I actually should have got home like a little bit earlier than now. This is like what, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock now? Yes, about 5. It's like after 5, so I should be home by now, but I ended up staying at school in the library, chit-chatting. Look at that, like that. But I was just kind of chit-chatting with like my classmates and stuff about the program and stuff, like, just kind of student chatter and stuff about our professors and, internship that we have coming up. We have, registration on Thursday. We actually register for our spring classes this Thursday, so I'm kind of excited because it's like we're moving forward in the program, which is, it's a good feeling to know that you are progressing and moving forward. And it's always interesting to talk to second or upperclassmen, in the program, like second, third, fourth year students, to hear like their perspective and how things are going. And actually met a G4 student, so she's in her 4th year of the PhD program, and she's actually getting ready to start her APA internship. For you guys who don't know what APA is, it stands for the American Psychological Association, which is the accrediting body of all PhD programs in psychology. So it's like a national organization that kind of like oversees the PhD programs, and they have like different chapters for different aspects of psychology. So for cognitive, for community psychology, like just different forms of psychology, different segments and groups that can fall within that range. So I actually just joined a few of the listservs, the mailing list for a few of those divisions within APA, so I can kind of stay up to date with the profession, different conferences that are happening. Because pretty soon I will be presenting some research, my own research, at some of these conferences. So it'd be nice, if you guys can kind of come join or maybe meet me at these conferences. And not only that, I also plan to like write like a companion book to go along with my research. I'm an overachiever, so as you know, part of a PhD program, like you have to do a dissertation, which is a thorough, comprehensive research project on a topic of interest, where you come up with the hypotheses and you design a study to kind of test the hypotheses and collect that data and all this kind of stuff, and you put it in a write-up and you present it, and that's pretty much dissertation. It's a couple hundred pages. But with my research that I'm going to do, I'm also going to do like a companion, maybe like a pocket-sized manual or a book to go along with it that I can sell at these conferences, because you guys know me, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a hustler, that's just how I am. I'm going to wrap this video up because that's my train. So I will catch you guys later, and thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Toodles!